to dry your hair in under 8 minutes, let me show you my secret weapon. This is the Tideway High-Speed Hair Dryer Titanium Edition. With a super powerful brushless motor and negative ionic technology, it's fast and leaves my hair feeling amazing. It has 4 temperature settings and thermal control tag. I can customize the heat while protecting my hair from damage. And check this out, it takes just 5 to 8 minutes to dry my hair. See how concentrated the airflow is? This makes drying and styling super easy and fast. Oh, look at this. The negative ionic technology leaves my hair silky, shiny, and frizz-free every single time. And the best part, you could pay $200 to $300 for a dryer like this. But right now, only in TikTok shop, this hair dryer is on sale for $69.99. I'm gonna link it for you below.